In this video, we'll guide you through the process of fixing the missing Wi-Fi option step by step. Let's jump right in. Click on the Windows icon on the taskbar, and then click on the settings to open it. Navigate to the Network and Internet section. Look for the Wi-Fi settings and click on them. Check if the Wi-Fi option is enabled. If not, toggle it on. If the issue persists, then type Device Manager in the Windows search bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Expand the Network Adapter section. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver. Now, restart your computer. If the Wi-Fi option is still missing, it's time for troubleshooting. Open Settings again and click on the Network and Internet section. In the Network Adapter status window, click on the Troubleshoot button. Follow the on-screen instructions to fix any detected issues. Check if the Wi-Fi option has reappeared. Lastly, ensure your Windows 11 is up to date. Type Windows Update in the Windows search bar and click on the Windows Update settings. Click on Check for Updates button and install any available updates. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Wi-Fi option not showing up on your Windows 11 device. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.